If your mind feels heavy with worry and anxious thoughts, pause with me for a few minutes as this guided meditation helps you let go of anxiety and return to peace. Let's do this together. Take a slow, deep breath in and close your eyes as you exhale slowly through your mouth. Allow your body to relax and rest with each breath, and let your shoulders drop and your mind relax completely. As you allow your body to relax completely, imagine yourself standing in front of a huge green passage. This passage has huge green trees on both the sides, as if they are guiding the path ahead for you. These trees on both the sides are so green and so lush. You feel as if they are covering the entire passage like a beautiful arc. They create a beautiful shade for you to walk under. These trees are not like any other trees. These trees hold the power to absorb all your anxious thoughts and overthinking like a sponge. And as you walk down this path, these trees will begin to come closer to you. And you may feel the soft leaves touch you as the trees absorb every anxious thought and worry. So now, as I count you down from 10 to 0, you will begin walking down the safe green passage, and on my each count, the trees will absorb all your anxious thoughts and worries, leaving you with only and only peace. So starting with 10, you take the first step ahead. With 9, you can feel the soft touch of the leaves gently caress your shoulders. With 8, you begin to feel the trees absorbing the anxious thoughts. You can feel them being released from your body. With 7, the trees are absorbing the anxiety from your face, your neck, your shoulders, and your chest area. With 6, you can feel the trees absorb all the stress and anxiety from your stomach and belly. With 5, you feel your upper body so peaceful and relaxed. With 4, the trees now begin to absorb any anxiety that you are holding in your lower body, your back, your knees, and your legs. With 3, your lower body begins to feel so light and so peaceful. With 2, the trees are beginning to hug you as you almost reach the end of this green passage, and they absorb any remaining anxiety from your body now. With 1, you can feel the trees now moving away as they have now absorbed all your anxiety from your mind, your body, and your soul. With 0, you feel a strong sense of peace and relaxation that you haven't felt since a very long time. Now, as you are at the end of this passage, you feel so peaceful and so relaxed. These trees have relieved you of all the anxiety that you were holding on to. And as you stand there, you express your gratitude to the trees for helping you release all the anxiety and worry. As you express gratitude, you stand there, and now you can feel a beautiful white light entering your body through your heart chakra. This beautiful white light is the universal light of peace and calm, filling each and every cell of your body with peace and calmness. You are now radiating into the frequency of universal peace. Allow yourself to enjoy this frequency of universal peace in each and every cell of your body. Now, as I count you up from 1 to 5, you will come back to your conscious awareness with the universal peace frequency radiating in each and every cell of your being. So start coming up with 1, higher up with 2, feeling peaceful and relaxed with 3, with only peace and calm at 4, with the universal peace integrated into your entire being at 5, and now very gently open your eyes. Carry this universal peace frequency with you for the rest of the day ahead. Signing off with love and light. Thank you.